ako lang po, sobra akong, yung totoo, naka-curious talaga ako sa buhay mag-asawa, di ba? Kung ano yung freedom.
Sorry. Okay.
Ay,
Sorry.
kailang, na-excite ako sa magiging buhay mag-asawa. Pero aware din ako na kung gaano siya magiging problematic, pwede maging problematic. Kasi sabi nga nila, ang buhay single, happy, pero ang buhay mag-asawa, medyo, nagiging marami na trials, challenges. So, yun.
Correct me if I'm wrong, when you were doing the first 3 movies with John Lloyd, you were still single, like, well, correct me if I'm wrong, but now, we all know na you already have a boyfriend in real life. So, gaano ka different yung, partnership yun? And doing the movie na you have to deal with someone else. Sorry.
Tapos si Lloydie. So, ano
Ano yung question?
Ano ulit yung question?
Okay, when you were doing the first 3 movies, correct me if I'm wrong, you were like single. And then now, when yung fourth movie, you finally found someone, we all know na you're already connected with, someone in real life.
Bakit to?
Oo, so gaano ka different yung
May nasa kakailang ba? Or kahit or even with you?
What? What about me?
Wala namang nakakailang or kung compared dun sa single pa siya and now then she's...
Oh, that's irrelevant. Alam namin yung role namin, alam namin yung kung ba't kami nandito, and we are actors.
Actors.
Yeah, so kung ano man yung personal, that's irrelevant.
Yes.
Okay, for Sarah, is it the same answer?
Ay, yung totoo, medyo nahirapan ako isa kasi nahirapan ako kasi first time ko rin ma-experience yung ganito na parang to be in a relationship na talagang totoong relasyon. Because in the past, naging text messaging lang naman, video call, yun lang naman. Ito talagang first time, no? So medyo nahiya ako, parang may wall ako na nandyan, no? Pero kailangan maging responsible ka kasi actor ka, actress ako. So, tao ba din?
Oo nga eh.
Ayan.
Okay ka lang?
Ayun. So, kailangan talagang maging gawin ng lahat para ma-portray ng maayos ang role mo. Yun.
And